Yes, sir.
Okay, there we go. Now, let us see the answers of the sums that you did. Did you find them difficult, easy, easy peasy,
So
lemon
some were
squeezy?
very easy and some were a little difficult.
So, little difficult, let us see that. Start with a little difficult one. Which one did you think was a little difficult?
Sir, 13th question.
13th question.
Sir, I also sent you an additional sheet from school.
10, 11, 12. A man covers 36 miles while going around a square plot.
And sir,
That's some.
yeah, so I've written the answer, but I'm not sure about it.
Yes, that's a very good thing that you asked me. Okay, yeah. Now, Hunar, this is how is it easy peasy lemon squeezy? I will tell you. See, that's a square plot. So, man covers 36 meter while going round a square plot. Round means he covers one round basically. Hunar,
Yes,
here
sir.
now don't take the meaning of the word round literally. Round means to come from, reach the same point from where you started. So, this is perimeter, right? 36 meter is a perimeter, right? Did you understand why it is a perimeter? Hunar, don't write, Hunar. You waste time when you write. Say yes. Say yes. Hunar?
Yes, sir.
No, don't waste time in writing, better. So, now did you get an idea what is meant when you go around something means you cover the perimeter of that thing?
Yes,
Got
sir.
it better? Huh? So 36 is the perimeter, and we know that the perimeter of a square.
Sir, but the side also means 36, right? Side also means perimeter.
No, one side is what is the question asked? What is the length of the side of the plot, right?
Yes.
Okay. So side means one side of the plot. What does side mean here, Unar? Side means
Sir,
this is
this
what is
side
this side?
means this. This
Yeah,
is the side. This
exactly,
is the side.
exactly.
This is the side.
Now listen to me. Now listen to me very carefully. Listen to me very carefully.
Yes,
Suppose
sir.
a person, this is a square plot. A person started from here. He went here. He went here. He went here. He came back to this place. This total was 36, right?
Yes.
So the perimeter is 36, right?
Yeah.
Now, Hunnar, in square, perimeter
So
divided.
this will be 4 centimeter. No, wait.
No, no,
I'm
no.
just going to do the calculations.
Wait a minute.
So
First,
I did 36 divided by 4.
why did you do that? Why did you do that? Your calculation is
So
correct.
because 4 a square has 4 edges and 4 sides.
Four sides. Forget about edges. A square has 4 sides. So that's why 36 divided by 4. And all sides are equal, Hunnar. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Now.
So my answer is correct.
Yes. But you need to get the logic right. Did you understand why we did the way we did it?
Yes.
Okay. Now, Hunnar, did you find
sir.
question 14 easy?
Find the breadth of the rectangle whose perimeter is 36 and length is 10 centimeter. Sir, I was a little confused with this again.
You are wrong also. You are wrong also. I'll tell you. Hunnar, now what happens when you're given perimeter now and one
Sir,
side?
do we do this?
I'll tell you how to do this. Wait a minute. Listen to me, Hunnar. Hunnar, be all ears. First of all, be all ears. Yeah. You do 36 divided by 2. What is 36 divided by 2? 18. Now, Hunnar. Length is 10 centimeter. Listen to me. Length is 10 centimeter. And
So,
beta?
I added 18 with 10.
Not add beta. Just listen to me. That's why I'm telling you. Listen to me. You have to subtract. Why you have to subtract? Now listen to the logic behind Why you have to subtract? So length, Hunar, let me write. Length plus breadth is equal to 18, right?
Yeah.
Why? Why
Wait,
is this
wait,
thing?
wait.
Why is this thing? Hunar,
Length
2 into
plus
length plus
breadth.
breadth is equal to perimeter. You know this? This
Yeah,
formula.
but only length plus breadth is 18.
Only length plus breadth is perimeter divided by 2, right?
Yeah.
So perimeter divided by 2, you got 18, and 10 plus breadth is equal to 18. Now, Hunar, you did the reverse thing. I will tell you why. 10 plus b is equal to 18. Therefore, b will be 18 minus 10, right?
Yes.
I'll tell you how. Hunar, 10 plus 8 is equal to 18. So
The
18
answer 8.
Yes. But
So look, there's a guitar on fire.
beta, tomorrow is our exam, no? So pay
Yes.
attention here.
Yes, sir.
So did you understand why the answer is 8 and not 28?
Yes,
Why should
sir.
you subtract and why you should not add? Okay?
Yeah.
These two sums. The perimeter of a
So-
rectangle is Abiti.
So after this, can we please do some properties of shapes of 3D and 2D?
Yes. That is something that you know. Okay?
So what are you saying?
But first we need to get the next question also proper. Next question also you have made a mistake.
Yes.
Do you want to
sir.
attempt this question?
Yes, sir. So there is no question in area.
Question 15, beta. Question 15.
The perimeter of a rectangle is 16 centimeter. If its breadth is 3 centimeter, find the length. Okay.
This you can't do in your mind, na? 16 divided by 2, can you do?
Oh yeah, it's 8.
Then why do you do all these things? Now what you do is important. What will you do now? That is important. You remember what we did last time? Yes.
Is 5 the answer?
Yes, 5 is the answer. But why is 5 the answer? Length plus breadth is half of the perimeter. So
Yeah.
3 plus L is equal to 8. So
Yes,
L is
sir.
equal to 8 minus 3. Did you understand the logic of this? When 3 plus L is
Yeah.
equal to 8, L is equal to 8 minus 3.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Punar, now you just tell me what mistake you made in question number 11.
Okay, where is it? Okay.
I have.
So what is that written?
Yeah.
So that
Now,
spelling is wrong.
no, not spelling. Spelling is the least concern in mathematics. Punar. See.
Oh, I thought Mama wrote wrong spelling.
No. Wait, Punar. Focus on this. Now, I'll tell you the mistake in simple terms. The side of a square park is 40 meter, right? What is the distance covered by a boy if he goes round it twice? Punar, 40 plus 40 plus 40 plus 40, 160 is if he covers it once.
Sir,
Yeah? Yes, Betty?
I thought that's written twice, sir. I thought that's an R, that's why.
Okay. Then
I thought twice is another word for perimeter.
Acha. How
But
could you
if we
think
do
so?
2 times 160 plus 160 will be your answer.
Punar, now tell me one thing. What is the question here?
So the questions were wrong.
Questions were wrong?
Yeah.
Which question was wrong?
Sir, that one right there.
Oh, it is not a regular polygon, beta. Why is it wrong?
So 1 minute, just go there.
If it is not
that
a
one, that one.
This one?
Yeah.
What is wrong in this question?
Just look. A and B both are wrong. They have a line of symmetry, sir, and still they're showing. 1 minute.
Wait a minute. Wait a
Can you
minute.
just
Line of
can you
symmetry. Where
just
do they
click on
have?
the picture, sir, please?
Where do they have a line of symmetry, Unar?
Sir,
Ah,
please click the picture.
please.
Okay, now that's better. Please give me annotation, sir.
Yeah. Tell me where is the line of symmetry?
Right there.
Yeah.
Right.
Who said that is the line of symmetry? Unar, who said that is the line of symmetry? Why did you assume that that is the line of symmetry? When?
So because like it's both should be equal now.
Why?
2.5 and 3.
No. Who said that? If it was a regular polygon, then both have to be equal. But that is not a rule. Who said that that is a rule that both have to be equal?
Sir, I wanted to ask you.
No. See, what have they done is that don't assume that this is equal to this or this has to be equal to this. They have given certain values. You just add them and find the perimeter.
So my answers are wrong.
No, wait a minute. Did you not add this? What figures did you take for your answers? What did you do for your answers? Let us see. 5 plus 8, 13, 16, 20, 19, 27. 5 plus 8, 13, 16, 19, 27. Oh, you got it wrong because of a calculation error. No. You took this as 3 now, Unnar?
Yeah.
You took this as 3. 3, 6. 6 plus 8, 14. 14 2 are 28. But why, na, Unnar? Why? Why did you assume that this has to be equal? Why did you assume that it was a regular polygon? Yeah.
Sir, I didn't assume that it was a regular polygon. I just assumed that I think there will be a line of symmetry just because like I thought
a line of symmetry is only there in a regular polygon.
Okay, sir, I didn't know that.
Yeah, never mind. But you use your brain. That's a very important thing. That you thought that there ought to be a line of symmetry. I am very impressed, Unar. This is certain brilliance of thought. Keep it up. Now,
thank you, sir.
Hunar.
Yes,
Hunar. What mistake you made here?
What?
Fencing a square park of side 150. You know what is the meaning of fencing?
What?
What is the meaning of fencing? Do you know?
Yeah, the wooden sticks on
fair
in
enough,
the farms and all.
No, see, I will explain this question to you. You know what you did?
Those are called fences, and so fencing is.
You got it.
Those
yes, Sundar, you got
pieces.
it. Yeah. Find the cost of fencing a square park of side 150 meter. Now, Hunar, fencing means putting this on all 4 sides, not just one side.
I know, sir.
Then how did you make this mistake? Then do you realize what mistake you made?
Sir, I did 50 multiplied by 6.
No, 150 multiplied by 6 you did.
Do we have to do 150 multiplied by 4?
Multiplied by 6. Why we have to do 150 multiplied by 4? I'll explain that to you. Unar,
sir, Mama said that I think my answer is correct.
No. I'll tell you. The square park of side 150 meter, Unar. One side is 150 meter. You are going to fence all the sides of a square park, Unar. So 150, 300, 450, 600. So total you will be fencing 600 meter at the rate of 6 per meter. So that will be 3,600. Did you understand why we did 150 into 4, Unar?
Yes, sir. I got it.
Got it, na? Yes. Because you fenced the whole perimeter, the whole boundary. You just don't fence one side, na? This is right. Perimeter of square divided by 4 is the side of the square. This is right. Then, Abiti?
So, can we please do shapes for now? Because I am properties of shapes because like. some work on it because I think I must revise that. I know
Fair enough,
everything.
fair
I
enough.
just need to revise that. Need to, if I forget something in the test, it will go wrong.
Very good.
And then I'll get less marks. And then I'll be took off the leading team.
You made a mistake, calculation mistake here.
Sure.
Question number 8.
What is the perimeter of a triangle?
No, you are right. Sorry. My bad, Unar. I thought it was rectangle. My bad. Sorry.
It's okay.
Unar, you did not have added this all 4. What you could have done now, 2.3 plus 3.7 is 6. 6 multiplied by 2. You understood why? This is
Sir, I added all.
You added all. That was a lengthy procedure actually. You need not have done that. What you could have done, tell me if you understand why. 3.7 plus 4, 2.3 is 6. 6 multiplied by 2 would also have got you the answer. Do you understand why?
No, I didn't get it at all.
Perimeter is 2 into length plus width, right? In question number 4, we have used the formula. So here length is 3.7, width is 2.3. Add them and multiply by 2.
No, I didn't get it. So
Question number 4. Find the perimeter of a rectangle whose sides are 5 and 2. You add 5 plus 2 and multiply that by 2, right? Perimeter is 2 into length plus width. So here, Hunar, this is the length and this is the width. You add them. 3.7 plus 2.3 is 6. Yes? 6 multiplied by 2. 2 into length plus breadth. So 2 into 6 is equal to 12.
But from where did we get 6?
3.7 plus 2.3.
Acha.
What did we do?
So 1 minute.
Wait a minute. What you have done here? What you have done in question number 3? What have you done in question number 3? Beta.
Calculating.
Acha.
Please give me annotation.
You wrote one thing wrong here. Perimeter is not length plus breadth into 4. You got the answer right. That is a good thing. Okay, chalo. Unar, what are you doing? Just tell me now what you are doing so that our time does not.
Sir, I was just trying to calculate, but never mind.
2.3 plus 3.7, you can calculate, no? Simple addition.
2.3
plus 3.7.
So your voice is echoing.
Here construction work is going on, no?
No. So the construction work only happens in the morning time.
Who not do this fast? No, better. You're taking a long time over it.
Got it.
6 into 2 is 12. Okay. That's right. Okay. Then we go to 10. Yeah. In fencing of a plot, you need the perimeter, right? In carpeting of a room, you need the area, right? What about this? You didn't. Acha, you did this here. No. What about this? You didn't do this. Anyway, we have done lots of that, right? Acha. Unar. Unmute yourself, beta. Unar. Unmute yourself. Sir, no, I can't hear you because you are on mute. And it is not H-E-R-E, it is H-E-A-R. Unar, the simple thing of unmuting yourself will do the trick. Hunar. I'm not able to. Then call your mom and get it done, beta, because this one-way traffic, you won't be able to do it properly. Hunar. Ha.
Yes, sir. Can you hear me?
Yes. Now, Hunar, in 2D and 3D figures, what is it that you want to study?
So, I just
Huh?
want you to make me do 1 or 2 worksheets on them.
On 2D and 3D, na?
Yeah, and so you're echoing, so I prefer you join from one device.
Oh, my other device is mute.
Yes, sir, I know, but sometimes that happens also with me. Also, it happens.
It is happening right now with you.
Yeah,
Yes.
but I can hear some echoing.
Okay.
Sir,
Beti?
can you search online for a worksheet?
Yes. Arey, Hunar, angles number 3 and 4 to solve these sums?
No, sir, but I'll solve it right now.
Yeah, solve this right now. Question number 3.
Yeah, I got this.
Hunar, how many times I tell you, you can't have three angles 45 degrees, beta. Can you have three angles?
Sir, it was like very long time before.
But still, you should have got that corrected, na, beta. Yeah.
I forgot that page was even there. So annotation.
Annotation, Bati. Yes.
Yeah, not that better. So a right angle triangle with an angle of 35 degrees. So this is a right angle. It doesn't matter upon the length. So that will be a 35 degrees. And we are just gonna erase the extra part.
Perfect. Well done.
And so
Yeah, Betty.
I won't be able to erase it on online because then my whole triangle erases.
Yes. Now number 4. Betty.
The compass thing, I am not able to draw it. Can you help me do that?
Do what?
With the compass to
With
draw
the compass
triangles.
online. Online, it won't be possible with the compass.
Oh, never mind. My mommy will teach me again.
Yeah. Hunar, one side that measures 8 centimeters. How will you do this, somebody?
So this is 8 centimeter.
Yes.
Now, this is an angle of 105 degrees.
No, not 105 degrees, beta.
115 degrees.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna do that part again.
Yeah, that's the point. Yes, got it.
Right there.
Clever Hunar. Can hear some noise coming from the background. Tuk, 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 tuk. Can you hear that?
No. That in the other house, they're doing some dance party something.
Achha.
There.
Perfect. Then what wrong did you do here?
45 should not come. I should do 45 plus 45. Then the answer that will come, we'll subtract that with 180 degrees and we'll get our answer.
No, not even that is necessary. You don't need to go into all that. See, just get this 5 centimeter and one angle 45 degrees. That's all. Then just draw anything that meets this angle. This thing becomes irrelevant then. One side is 5 centimeter, one angle is 45 degrees. That's all that we want.
Sir, but ma'am says to do
Ah.
all of them.
You have to draw all of them. You have to draw all of them, beta. That is compulsory.
No, sir. We
Ah.
also need to tell what angles they are.
Acha. This can be any angle. I'll tell you why this can be any angle. I'll tell you the reason why it can be any
Why?
Suppose you take suppose you take this 5 and this is 45 degrees. Okay. Now suppose if you make this third line here, this will be a less degree angle. You make it here, it will be a more degree angle.
Yeah.
Make it here, it will be more degree angle.
Yes, sir. I know that.
Yeah.
But we also need to like tell how big it is.
Tell
the
how
measurement.
Yes.
The degrees.
That's good.
For example, it's 15 degrees. We need to tell what degree it is.
That is true.
Yes.
Okay. So this is about angles. Now let us see what other. You said you sent me something more from school. What was that? Did you send me something more from school?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Where is it?
On WhatsApp only.
On WhatsApp. When did you send it?
Today with the worksheet you gave.
With the worksheet.
Very top. That one. Down.
This.
That one.
Yes. Hey, Hunar, perimeter can't be, or can it be? Yeah, let us check. Area 7 into 5, 35. 35 plus, wait a minute. I should not hurry. That's my girl. Area is perfect. Very good.
Yeah.
Systematically, you do things perfectly. 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 10, 18 plus 7, 25. Wait a minute, where did I start from? 5 plus 3, 8 plus 10, 18 plus 7, 25. Unar.
Yes, sir.
5 plus 3, 8 plus 10, 18 plus 7, 25 plus 5, 30 plus 4, 34. You missed one 5 thing, Hunar.
I did.
Yeah, do it again.
Okay.
Go on telling it loudly so that we save time.
I should tell it loudly.
Yeah. What are the additions?
Okay. So 10.
Don't write it.
Sir, but I need to write.
Acha. You can't calculate in your mind?
Sir, I can, but not so many numbers at once.
Not at once. 10 plus 7, 17. What about this, Hunar? Why are you missing this thing?
I just wrote that 5.
10 plus 7 plus 5, 22 plus 4, 26 plus 5, 31 plus 3, 34.
Sir, I'm getting 29 only.
You are missing something.
What?
See, 10, 7, 5, 4.
Yeah.
What about 5? This 3. What about this 5, Hunar? What about this 5? This 5.
Where?
This one.
I don't see.
This one.
Oh, that 5. I'll just write it down. So 29.
Hunar, don't waste your time in calculation. You need to understand where you missed that 5. Did you understand where you missed that 5? Okay, beta.
34.
Wait a minute. Sorry. 10 multiplied by 6. Punar, how did you write 60? 60 is just one rectangle. 10 multiplied by 6, 60 beti. Plus, what about the other rectangle? You wrote 12 there. How did you get 60 as the total, beta? Punar,
Sir?
calculate this area now. Area of this,
Yes.
tell me how to do. Tell me how to do. Don't calculate. Tell me how to do.
So we'll add 6. No, the area we will do 2 into 6 that is 12. Then 10 into 6 which is 60 and 12 plus 60.
Why didn't you do that right in the first place? Yes. Now answer that question.
Sir, I was confused, but then I understood, but then I forgot to add it again.
Don't make such mistake. Don't forget to add. Once you have got it, again, here also you missed one thing. I'll tell you what you missed. 10 plus 8, 18. 18 plus 6, 24. Now, what about this tiny 2 out here? What about this tiny 2 out here? 24 plus 2, 26. Plus 4,
How
30.
can it be 2?
36. Okay?
Wait. So, 6 plus.
Did you understand what you missed?
The 2.
Did you understand what you missed, Betty? Punar,
Yes.
promise me that you don't miss that in tomorrow's school.
I won't do that, sir. Ever again.
Yeah, that's my honor. 6 into 5, 30. And, this is interesting. 13 into 3. How come this is... Hey, wait a minute. How come you got that? Acha, 3. 8 plus 5, 13. 13 into 3 is 39. Very good, honor.
So that's 69. I wrote 69.
Perfect, Betty. Way to go.
So that's 69. Not
69.
39.
69 is the right answer, Betty. 30 plus 39.
Okay.
5 plus 6, 11 plus 8, 17 plus 3, 30 plus 13, 43. Unar,
Yes.
43 plus 9. Wait a minute, sorry. 5 plus 6, 11 plus 8, 17 plus 3, 20 plus 3 plus 13, 33. Hunar, why did you add 11? This is not 11. This is 9. Why is it 9? This 6 plus this 3. Got it?
Yeah.
Got it? Why is it 9 and not 11, Betty?
Yes, sir.
Betty. So, the whole point is that in perimeter, you have made mistakes in 3. Let us see what you do out here. 4 plus 5. 4 plus 2, 6. 5, 11, 8, 19, 28. 28 plus 6 is 34. And you put 32. Why, Hunar? Why? Did you identify? Did you identify your mistake?
Yes, sir.
What you are doing, I'll tell you. You're missing one small little thing everywhere. So, you have to cover every small little thing. Everything, this must be covered. Okay, Betty?
Okay, sir.
Now, let us see about the area. 5 into... wait a minute. Why is this thing 2? 8 minus 6, 2. That's my girl. 10. 5 into 2, 10. 8 into... No, not 8. 6 into 9, 54. Umnar, area you do perfectly. Perimeter you do mistakenly. How
So
to
that's 64.
Yeah, that is right.
So you just said 54.
54 plus 10. 54 plus 10, 64.
Oh, okay.
So that is how you go about the job. Area you get
Okay.
properly. Perimeter, be careful, na beta.
Yes, sir. I will be very, very careful. And
Yes.
also, can we please do...
Yes. What do we need to do in that? You will need to memorize all those things. Now this perimeter, this thing has this much height, vertice, and all that.
Yeah.
What some questions come in? There was no question asked on 3D figure in the practice test that madam gave you.
So there was nets of 3D figures.
Nats and nats is that very easy thing, yaar.
No, sir, but still cube का भी पूछा था fill in the blanks.
That is all.
Cylinder का भी पूछा था fill in the blanks.
3D figure exercise. Okay.
So I think you should go in pictures.
Go in pictures.
Yeah, images.
All this?
Yeah, those.
Those?
That's too easy.
That's
Sphere
too
is
easy.
with the ball, cylinder is with the jug, cone is with the ice cream, cube is with the ice. That's like baby stuff.
Very good, you say that.
Okay.
No, not even this, not even this, not even this. No.
Okay.
Okay. Nar.
Write down the number of faces of each of the following figures. Cuboid has
Taking so long.
6 faces.
So will a
Cube.
Perfect.
Then a triangular prism has 3 plus 2. 5 faces. Square base pyramid has 5 faces.
perfect,
too.
perfect.
So what's a tetrahedron?
Yes. Tetrahedron. 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 Tetrahedron is this. Triangular pyramid is a tetrahedron.
Oh.
Triangular pyramid is a tetrahedron. Yes. Got it?
So a triangular pyramid has 5 sides.
4 faces. 4 faces.
Oh, yeah.
One will be the base and the other 3. Right?
अच्छा 3 होता है टेट्राहेड्रॉन में?
हाँ.
Okay. I thought 4 होते हैं.
4 triangular faces होता है.
हाँ वही.
हाँ.
तो
So,
4.
and Hunnar, one thing have you memorized? One thing have you memorized? I will tell you what I'm talking of. I'll tell you the 3D figures now, the number of faces, this and that. I have sent it on the lines of symmetry, you know, na?
Yeah, but I don't think lines of symmetry is coming.
No,
I think it is, but I'm not really sure.
Hunnar, triangular prism, faces, edges, vertices. Then this is your tetrahedron. Then where have I written all the details? No, this is, wait a minute. You know, in one WhatsApp that I sent you now, I have mentioned the details of the 3D figures in terms of faces. Here we go.
Yes.
Yeah. This, you'll have to memorize this, Sundar. Or figure it out, or figure it out, or figure it out.
Okay. A sphere has only one face, then edges it doesn't have, and vertices also doesn't have. Then a hemisphere.
Do you have a hemisphere? I doubt that.
A protractor is a hemisphere.
If it were to be 3-dimensional.
Yeah.
Protractor is unfortunately too thin to be three-dimensional.
Yeah.
You know one thing? Nothing in the world is two-dimensional. Only that the third dimension will be of such small measurement that you don't take that into consideration. Did you
What?
understand what I just said?
No, I didn't.
Take your mobile phone. Can a mobile phone be two-dimensional? No.
No, it can't. Yeah, no, it can't. Paper can.
Paper is three-dimensional, only that the third dimension is so thin that you are not taking that into consideration, but it is there all the same.
Oh, okay. Sir, are we doing 1.5 hour
Huh?
class or 1 hour?
1 hour, 1 hour. Huh?
Okay.
Light is two-dimensional or three-dimensional?
Light. I don't think this will come in the exam.
Yeah, this is not going to come in the exam. Yeah. Let us stick to it.
But I think it's three.
Yeah. No, forget that. Cone. Look at the cone.
A cone has one curved face and one vertex and one edge.
Cone has one face and one curved face.
Oh.
Face which is not curved.
So
Beta,
I'll just memorize this stuff.
Yeah, then we have for prisms also faces, edges, and vertices.
And so
Hunar, you'll have to memorize this. You will memorize
it.
Yes.
And so
Yes, Betty.
I don't get much time also to do this stuff. So if I get time, I study for test.
What do you mean if I get time? Tomorrow is your exam, na?
No, sir, not today.
Tomorrow is your exam, na?
Yeah.
So tomorrow you do all that memorization thing.
No.
Today you will do tonight?
Yeah.
This you will memorize.
But in the morning there isn't time. In the morning and short break, when is math break?
Yeah.
Maths is before short break. So I'll do it in the bio break.
Yeah.
I'll just go through it.
Perfect.
And today I'll memorize it, and tomorrow I'll just go through it so I remember.
Fair enough. So 3D shapes, get all this faces, edges, and vertices going. Faces, edges, and vertices. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So then angle is not there. No, is angle there tomorrow?
I don't think so, but I think there is going to be angles. But I am a professional at angles now, so.
Oh, that's an interesting term you used. I'm a professional at angles. I like your self-confidence. Very good. See, line 180 degrees, point 360 degrees, right? Straight line will be 180 degrees. Remember that, okay?
Yeah, and a full circle will be 360, and what do we call the ones which meet and go at one point? I forgot what you call them.
Okay.
Interactive.
No, this thing, vertically opposite angles are equal.
Yeah, so what are they called? They're called some name, right?
Complementary, supplementary, that type, na?
I don't remember something.
Yeah. Then Roman numerals are not there, na?
Nope.
Then see.
So
Betty.
Can we first do shapes? I'll find that out. Can we just do shapes?
Shapes so we have done now. What else is now needed in shapes?
So can you just ask me of 2D shapes and triangles?
2D shapes. 2D shapes are too easy. What is your name? Hunar.
I know, sir. I just want to revise because I'm not. And if ma'am gives me to draw, I'm not able to draw them like the octagons and all.
Acha. 2D shapes. There you go. No, 2D shapes. 2D shapes. Remember this trick question now, Hunar. This is half. Remember, this is half.
So,
This
that's why it will be 20.
Half. Yes, sir. You still sharpest memory, you still remember it. Very good, very impressive. Now we come to 2D shapes. 2D shapes is what you call as easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Lemon squeezy.
Where is it gone? 2D shapes. 2D shapes. Here we go. 2D faces of 3D shapes. This also you remember, huh?
That's a sphere, a cylinder, and a cone. That rectangle is for a cuboid and a rectangular prism, or a rectangular base pyramid. Then the cube is of the square is of a cube. The triangle is for a pyramid, square base pyramid, rectangular base pyramid, triangular base pyramid, and many more pyramids, and triangular prisms also, and any prism also. And then the other triangle is the same with the one above, and then the pentagon. Is it a pentagon? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, it's a pentagon. The pentagon is for a pentagonal prism and a pentagonal base pyramid and a yeah, that's all.
That's it. Yeah. Now, Hunar, lines of symmetry. Square
has 4 lines of symmetry. Triangle has 3 lines of symmetry. Octagon has 8 lines of symmetry. Then hexagon has 6 lines of symmetry. Pentagon has 5 lines of symmetry, and heptagon has 7 lines of symmetry. And octagon has 8 lines of symmetry, and nonagon has 9 lines of symmetry, and a decagon has 10 lines of symmetry.
Then, symmetry. Do you have this also?
I don't.
Symmetry
I
in
don't
polygons.
think so.
It's easy. Symmetry in polygons is easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Yes, sir. I think I'll do that on my own.
Hunar, a triangle does not have 2 lines of symmetry. Remember that. Okay, Betty?
Yes, sir. I remember that.
Parallelogram has no line of symmetry. Parallelogram has no line of symmetry. Trapezoid has no line of symmetry.
Yes, sir.
Scaling triangle has no line of symmetry. Isosceles has only 1 line of symmetry.
Yes, sir. Got it.
Yeah. Now what else remains? I will tell you. You are more or less prepared. Only thing is that you don't have problems of time, na? Ki time nahi mila, sir. That is not an issue, na?
A little bit yes, and a little bit no.
Acha, time becomes an issue at times.
Sometimes yes.
Yeah. Now read this.
Squares have 4 equal sides and 4 right angles. They have 4 lines of symmetry. All squares belong to the rectangle family.
Don't read this. Don't read this. Just the first 2 things.
Okay.
How many lines of symmetry? Okay. Then, where was that? Facts about figures. Yeah. Rectangle.
Rectangles have 4 sides and 4 right angles. They all have 2 lines of symmetry. 4 lines if they are.
No. Forget it.
It's squares. What?
Read the first 3.
Rhombuses. Rhombi have 4 equal sides. Both pairs of opposite sides are parallel. They all have 2 lines of symmetry. 4 lines if they're square. I don't need that.
Yes.
Parallelograms have two lines. You have two pairs of parallels, and some parallelograms have lines of symmetry depending on whether they are also square. They are also squares, rectangles.
Parallelogram does not, for us, for our sake, parallelogram do not have lines of symmetry.
Okay. Kites have two pairs of equal sides which are adjacent to each other. Adjacent मतलब
Side by side.
Yeah.
इनके जो इक्वल साइड्स रहते हैं ना, वो एक दूसरे के आजू बाजू ही रहते हैं. ये इसके एडजेसेंट साइड है. इसके आजू बाजू वाला जो साइड है ना, उसको एडजेसेंट बोलते हैं. और ये ऑपोजिट हो गया. तो काइट में ऑपोजिट का कुछ खास नहीं रहता है, एडजेसेंट का इक्वल रहता है ना बेटा? ओके. हाँ, अब मुझे बताइए, ये ट्राइंगुलर प्रिज्म, हेक्सागोनल प्रिज्म, लिस्ट ऑफ ज्योमेट्रिक 3D शेप्स. एंगल्स मत पढ़िएगा, एंगल्स आपको नहीं आएंगे. पेंटागन, हेक्सागन और ऑक्टागन के एंगल्स नहीं आएंगे. ओके
सर आ सकता है पेंटागन और उन सब के, लेकिन डोंट वरी मेरे से हो जाएगा, वो
हो जाएगा ना. या सो हुनर, यू आर रेडी?
मेरा टाइम
रेडी फॉर टुमारो? व्हाट डू यू
ओके
से?
सर,
चलो, we'll say goodbye.
I'm just a little bit scared.
Arey, scared is a good thing. That means you want to do well. So don't be scared of being scared. Take that as a positive thing. Even my daughter now, because before she was going to dance performance, Papa बहुत nervous लग रहा है. But that is a good thing. That means you want to do well. Okay? So don't be scared of feeling scared. Okay, Betty?
Okay.
Chalo, all the best for tomorrow. Okay?
Thank you, sir. Bye. Have a
Bye.
nice day.
Same to you, Betty.
Bye, sir.
Bye.